the digits of a number are arranged in a certain way, and the position of a digit of a number tells us its place. Here you can see the different places of a number up to the millions place. They are the following. We have ones, we have tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, and so on. These are what we call places of a number's digits, and they are arranged in a specific order. Let's have an example so I can better show you what places are and how they are arranged. Remember, we mentioned that digits have a particular place, which is of a specific arrangement. That means we can't switch these digits around because it's going to affect the value of our number. So moving the different digits around the number actually changes the value of that number. So for example, if we switch 1, the digit 1 and the digit 4, and we create another number, the new number has the same digits, but now it has far bigger value. It now has a value of about 4 million instead of just having 1 million previously. So let's go ahead and connect the digits to the places by drawing lines from the digit to the place. So 4 is in the ones place, 9 is in the tens place, 8 is in the hundreds place, 2 is in the thousands place, 7 is in the 10,000s place, 6 is in the 100,000s place, and 1 is in the millions place.